Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the DD Audio Digital Designs DD-VO-M6-5B-S4. The DD-VO-M6-5B-S4 is a pair of 6.5-inch mid-range speakers that deliver 300 watts of peak power at 4 ohm impedance. These speakers are designed for high efficiency, combining elements of pro audio and high-end car audio to achieve concert-level sound output without the need for extensive modifications to your vehicle's interior. The speakers are ideal for those looking for upgrades to their stock sound system to something more powerful or dynamic. This updated B version of the DD-VO-M6-5 features a new suspension and coil combination that enhances lower mid-bass range response compared to its predecessor. The speakers also maintain smooth, extended frequency range that the VO series is known for. The cones are made up from a unique, long fiber poly-infused pulp, making them highly water resistant and suitable for in various off-road environments, including boats, motorcycles, and powersport vehicles. The key features of the DD-VO-M6-5B-S4 include a 1.5-inch high-temperature voice coil and a 26-ounce ferrite magnet, ensuring robust performance and durability. The speakers offer a frequency response of 100Hz all the way to 8K Hz and an impressive sensitivity of 93 decibels SPL. With a mounting depth of 2.88 inches, they're designed to fit comfortably in most stock speaker locations, making installation straightforward while providing a significant upgrade in sound quality. Now let's talk a little bit about the price. The price on these are $119, and if you're interested in purchasing this, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/DD-Audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.